Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a simple look for a night out on the town. Alright guys, so I have my friend here, Londa, doing my makeup today. And as you can see, one brow was already done and she's working on the second. Here she is applying Anastasia Beverly Hill's Dip Brow Pomade in color Ebony. Here she is using an E.l.f brow brush and she's filling in the eyebrows to make them look more natural. Here she's applying concealer to the lower part of the brow and following the same technique for the top of the brow. She is using an E.l.f concealer brush and using LA Girl concealer. Here she's blending the concealer on the lower lid for that nice look. Here she's applying tape to the side of the eyelid and brow, going in the diagonal direction. This technique helps your eyeshadow look sharp, and she's found this technique to be extremely helpful when applying eyeliner and eyeshadow. Here she's beginning to use the Morphe palette 35R Ready Set Gold, using 3 different colors in the palette. She's using black for the outer eyelid, pinkish purple for the middle eyelid, and a pinkish color in the inner eyelid. Let's not forget she's using the E.l.f shadow eye brush, making sure to blend the colors into one another. Let's not forget, that tape has not come off yet. It's okay to leave it on until you're done completely with the eye. Here, she's repeating the same technique to the other eye. Okay, after this, the tape was removed, and she does start to apply the foundation, which is the Covergirl Liquid Foundation. And this is an E.l.f blend brush. Here, she's just making sure to blend the foundation very well. Don't forget to apply the makeup to the neck, just so it doesn't look visible. In this case, she didn't really feel like it was needed. Here, she's just applying some Younique Mascara, and there were no lashes used for this look. Here, she's just going back up under the eyes with a concealer brush just to get the dark spots under the eyes, making sure it's very blended. Here she's applying highlight to the side of the face, near the cheekbone, chin, nose, and the forehead. Normally she would use the same brush, but she didn't have her other brush with her, so she made it work. She's applying Revlon Super Lustrous Matte 014 Sultry Sable. Here she's applying a City Color B Matte Lipstick, and the color is Baby Pink. Of course, we can't forget the NYX Matte Finishing Spray just to set the look.